Gamma inverse function. It returns the inverse of a gamma cumulative distribution, and the syntax is gamma inverse probability gamma alpha gamma beta. The probability is the gamma distribution function itself. So in this video, we will generate the data set of both the gamma distribution and the gamma inverse function over the values of x from 0 to 12. That's from 0 to 12. And our alpha will be from 1 to 10 and also with beta. So alpha, data validation, list of items. So our value, so alpha is from 1 to 10. And beta, data validation, list of items, 1 to 10. So our beta has these values. Now we can generate the data set using array formula. Gamma.dist, that's our formula, gamma.dist of the x values for alpha, then beta, and then the last argument is 1 because it's a cumulative distribution function, and we'll choose 1 for alpha and 1 for beta. So here we have the trend line and the trend line equation. You can make changes. This is the scale and this is the shape. So alpha is the shape of the distribution and beta is the scale of the distribution. Next, we generate the gamma inverse function. We expect that the output of this will be the same as the x column. So it is array formula gamma dot inverse of the y values, these values. Gamma alpha, gamma beta, and that's it. You will notice the x values match to our gamma inverse output. That's because the gamma inverse is actually the gamma is the inverse of the gamma distribution, cumulative distribution. Next, we check whether our data sets are accurate, starting with the Microsoft's help file. Here we have the gamma of 10, so we use this value and we'll get this value. So copy 10.00000112. So we change that to 10.00000112. And alpha is 9, gamma is 2. So alpha is 9 and gamma is 2. So here's our output, exactly the same. And this 0.06809094, so 0.068094 matches to 0.068094. Then we check the Google example. In Google example, you have 0.3 for the gamma.dist y and 5 for the alpha and 1 for beta. So alpha is 5 and beta is 1. And This is 0.3, so we enter our x value as 3.6336. Copy this, enter, paste, enter. So that confirms that we have the same value, 3.63360983, and this is zero point 0.3. So this should be 0.3. This confirms the accuracy of our dataset for the gamma inverse function and gamma distribution function using array formula and data